Hey, good evening, everyone. Hope you people are doing good. You have to, you should. Very good. Good to see few of the participants who have already joined, and we are going to talk today about LCM HCF, lowest common multiple or least common multiple, and HCF, highest common factor. I'm sure most of you will be knowing what is LCM, what is LCF, how to find LCM and HCF. Today we are going to learn how to find LCM HCF of the number very quickly, very smartly, wherein we do not get any problem out of that. A lot of questions are asked based on these topics, LCM and HCF, wherein it has got very good weightage in most of the competitive examination. Let's talk about the company specific examination like TCS Infosys and many more companies. Along with that, if you are looking for bank examination, you are looking for railways, any government sector examinations, even for your higher education, if you're looking for MATCAT exams, then this topic has got a good weightage, and we will be seeing why, what kind of questions will be asked, and how to answer all efficiently, right? Okay, having said, a lot of people are there. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening. So what I will do without much wait, let us start the show. So from here, after 30 seconds, we'll start this topic called LCM HCF, and we will be very specifically talking about the questions which were asked in TCS examination. And here we go, guys. Okay, so I'm sure you are able to see on the screen LCM and HCF. Find the LCM of 8, 12, 6, and 4. Find the LCM of 8, 12, 6, and 4. So ideally, how do you find that? I will tell you how do you find that. You start writing 8, 12, 6, and 4, and you find the LCM with long L method. It is called long L method, right? Where you start factorizing. Instead of factorization, what you do? 4 times, 6 times, 3 times, and 2 times. Again, 2 times. You write it as 2, 3, 3, 1. Again, you write it at 3 times. You write as 2, 1, 1, 1, and this is left out. So the LCM of the number is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, which is going to be 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3 ja 12 into 2 is 24, right? This is what is the LCM. We can definitely do that, but finding the LCM of a number in this method will take around 60 seconds of time. What we are trying to do, we are trying to reduce this time to certain seconds, like it should be done within 20 to 30 seconds. So we are trying to just half the time which we have taken, or even less. Let's see how to do that. Okay. Guys, let me know if you people can hear me properly. Just let me know if you guys can hear me properly. Write in the chat box. Let me know if you people are able to. Yes, thanks for the confirmation. Thank you for letting me know that you people are able to listen to me properly. Okay, let's find out the way of finding this. Okay, now how to find the LCM in the smarter way? Just look at the screen. The way will be, first step will be, which number, these all numbers has to be found. This number of means LCM of 8, 12, 6, 4. So what we will do, we'll write the number in the ascending order, right? We'll write in the ascending order. Ascending order is from smaller to bigger, right? Smaller, the first number will be 4, followed by 6, then comes 8, then comes 12. This is what is ascending order, right? And we will have to find the LCM of the number. What we do? Step number 2. Step number 2, we will avoid all the numbers and we will compare last two number, which is bigger ones. Like we are comparing 8 and 12 and we are trying to find the LCM of 8 and 12 alone. How to find the LCM of 8 and 12? Just look at the screen, guys. What we will do, we are going to do math and magic. In mathematics, we are going to add magic and we will come with एक जादू वाला magic, which is mathematics. Okay, 8 and 12, how to find the LCM of that? So what I am telling, the bigger number, you see whether 12 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Can 8 divide 12 completely? That is 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So whether 12 comes? No, it does not. So it is not. That means 8 is not the factor of 12. So what we will do? Instead of 12, we will multiply 12 into 2. That is 24, right? 12 into 2 is 24. 24, we will check whether 8 and 8 can completely divide 24 or not. You will think, yes, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Yes, the LCM of 8 and 12 is going to be 24, my dear friends. What we will do? This is the LCM of these two numbers. Then we will see whether 6 and 24, what is the LCM? 6 4 ja 24. Okay, wonderful. So 24 is the LCM. Now check with 4. 4 6 times. 4 6 times is 24. So LCM of the number is 24. You will save a lot of time. There is no difficulty in finding this if you can do this method. Let's try finding the LCM of this number, which is 8, 12, and 15. Try finding the LCM of 8, 12, and 15. Okay. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Yes, I'm sure you guys would have got the answer right. Find the LCM of 8, 12, 15. So what we will do, 8, 12, and 15, whether it is in ascending order. Yes, it is already in ascending order. 8, 12, and 15, right? So what we will do, 15, we will see whether it can divide, means 12 can divide 15 properly or not. To know. So what we will do, into 2 is going to be 30. 12, no, 30 does not come. So into 3 we will do 45. 12 cannot divide 45 also. So into what we are doing, into 2 we are doing, into 3 we are doing, into 4 we are doing. Into 4, when you do 60, so you will see, yes, 12 5 is 60. And similarly you will go and find out for 8 whether 8 can divide 60 or not. You will see no. Now let's see what happened. In these two, LCM is 60, but 8 and 60, 8 can divide 60 completely. You will tell yes or no. Yes or no. Probably 8 cannot divide 60 completely. So what you will do, once again multiply this number into 2 and check 120 whether a 120 can divide 8. Yes, it can. How many times? 8 1 ja 8 and 40, so 4, right? 15 8 ja 120. So 120 is going to be the LCM, 120 is going to be the LCM of the number. So what I'm telling, sometimes it becomes tedious, but it looks tedious, but it is not when you already know how to find this, because this calculation and all we can do in our mind, right? So it will save a lot of time of yours. So finding the LCM, if you have understood this, just find the LCM of 3 5 and 3, 5, and okay, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2, 15. Yeah. Find the LCM of 3, 5, 2, and 15. Just try to find out the LCM of that number. Wonderful. I could get the answer from Durga. Durga has given the answer as 30. So in this case, what you will understand, no, after some time, what you will understand is if you do it on your own and if you practice, no, it will be very easy. So what we have done in this, what I told, 2, 3, 5, and 15 you do, and 5 and 15 find the LCM. So 15 will be the LCM. 3 and 15, what is the LCM? Again, 15 is the LCM. 2 and 15, what is the LCM? So 2 and 15 LCM is going to be 30, and 30 is the LCM of the number. Yes, 30 is going to be the LCM of the number, given number. Okay, got it? Let's move to the next one. I know you people know how to find the LCM. Let's look at finding the HCF of the number. What is HCF? HCF is nothing but how do you find the HCF? Again, it is going to be highest common factor. That means the number which can divide all the three numbers, right? 27, 18, and 36, which is the biggest number which can divide 27 as well as 18 as well as 36. So what is common between these all, right? So what we do, we find ideally what we do, 27 we will write as 3 into 3 into 3, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 18 we write as 2 into 3 into 3, and 36 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? So 3 3 are 9 and 9 4 are 36. Yes. And how to find the highest common factor? What we do is we will see which is common. Okay, 1 3 is common, 1 3 is common, and 1 3 is common. Okay, find out what else is common between these two. One more 3, one more 3, and one more 3 is common. What else is common? Between these two you can tell ki 1 2 is common, but here it is not common, so we will avoid that. And what we will tell, 3 into 3, which is 9, is common in all those. That is the highest number. So 9 is the HCF of three numbers, right? 27, 18, and 36. Okay. That's what is the highest number. That is what is the highest number which is common. So what we will do, how we can do this in this question, what we will do, again, finding the HCF of the number, I will write down the numbers in ascending order. Okay, write down the number in ascending order. So it will be 18, 27, and then 36. And what I will do, I'll just try to find out from the left hand side. Last time what we do in LCM, from the highest number. Now from lowest number we are starting. Okay, so from lowest number what we are doing is between 18 and 27 we are trying to find out what is the HCF for that. How to find that? You can do this way. 9 is what? 18. How to write 18? 9 into 2 can be written as 18. Okay, one way. Okay, what else? Factors I'm trying to find out. Instead of writing 3 into 3 into 3 or 2 into 3 into 3, what I'm writing is 9 into 2 is one of the way of, these are the factors. Writing the highest factor first, highest possible factor. One is 18 into 1 we can write, right? 18 into 1 we can write. Next what we can write is 19 into 2. Third one we can write is 3 into what should be that? 3 into 6. Okay, or 6 into 3 ulta if you are writing, and the same thing reciprocate ulta we can write, right? Okay, just write and keep. It is only for understanding, I'm telling. While doing we will not do that much. Okay, come here. 27, how it can be written? 27 into 1. Next you can write 27 is into 9 into 3, right? Then you can also write this as 3 into 9. That's all, nothing else. 18 can be written as 18 can be, oh sorry, 36 can be written as 1 is 36 into 1. Otherwise you can write into 18 into 2, right? 18 2 is 36. Again, what else you can write? Okay, 3 3 and 18 you have taken. 9 into 4 we can write. um, 12 into 3 we can write, right? And what else we can write is probably that's all. Means now you will have to go reverse of that. 6 into 6 you can write, that's all. Now try to find out what is the maximum. 18 into 1, whether 18 is there anywhere. So you saw 18 and 18 is here, but 18 is not here. Start from the highest one. What I am telling, between these two you check. It will be easier rather than checking 36. Okay, check only in the lowest two. Now come here and check. First number 18, whether 18 comes here 18 times? No. So this is not. 9 comes here? Yes, 9 comes here, 9 comes here. That's all. That's all was required, my dear friends. 9 comes here and 9 comes here. So HCF of these two number is going to be 9. HCF of these two number is going to be 9. Now let's see whether 9 comes somewhere over here. Yes, it comes here. So HCF of these two number is going to be 9. That's all. So finally you will find HCF of all three numbers are going to be 9 only. If you feel this is little difficult, I'll make it even easier. What you can do is if you understand this is the concept, it will definitely help you. If you feel it is little difficult, what you can do is write the number in ascending order. Find the HCF of the lowest two number, and that will be, just check whether that is the HCF of with this, and that will be the HCF. What is the HCF? Highest common factor of 18 and 27. So 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. So highest common factor is 9. Whether 9 can divide 36? Yes, it can. So this is your answer. Over. In case you have understood this, if you have understood this, I'll just wait for your response. Durga has already given the answer is 9. Wonderful. If anybody else would have got the answer, you can write. If you have understood, it is well and good. Otherwise, we can go to the next question and then we'll try to understand this sum. Okay. The sum is find the HCF of 360 and 132. Only two numbers are there, right? HCF of 360 and 132. So what we will do, we will start from 132 and then we will go to 360. 132 and then we will go to 360. Okay, you write down 132 and then 360 and find the HCF of these two numbers. And just, oh, if it was okay. What is the HCF? So one way is finding the complete factorial of the number and then finding the common. What I told was just write down the bigger numbers and all, how we can do. So if we write 2 times of how much is 132, right? Because we know it is 2 times it can be divided, right? So 2 times of how much? So you will tell, sir, it is 6, and 66 into 2 is going to be 66 into 2 is going to be 132. Okay, this can also be divided by 3. Why? Because what is the divisibility rule of this? How to check whether the number can be divided by 3? 132 is there. Yeah, just add the numbers, add the sums. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. If the sum can be divided by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Now how to find? 4 3 ja 12 and again 4 3 ja 12. Done? Okay. Now, as it is divisible 2 and 3, it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So the number will be divisible by 6 as well. Let's find out how many times 6 is 132. So 6 2 ja 12 and 6 2 ja 12. You got it? So 22 into 6. Again, you are getting further down. We will go further down. If you write 12 here, it is 2 times, so it will be divided by 2. It can be written as 11 into 12 is 132, right? Okay, anything else? Okay, you can write it ulta. Probably if you want, you can write it as 12 into 11. Why? Because we are thinking of writing the biggest number first. Okay, and then it will follow like 11 into 12 and so on ulta. So leave it till here. Now go to 130 360. Can be written as 180 into 2. Okay, can be written again as 120 into 3, right? Yes, and again can be written as the multiple of these two, so 6 into 60. Okay, then it can also be written as 18 into 20. Okay, very good. Then it can be also written as 18 into 12. 18 into 20 is fine. Then it is again ulta only. 18 into 20 will leave. Factorize again. We will factorize this. This is 18 can be written as 9, and this will become 40. Okay. Now we can also write this as 3 into 120. Yes. We can also write this as 12 into 30. Yes. And so on, right? All the numbers are there. So try to factorize that. What you will see here, no? If you see the factors, whether 66 is there somewhere, so you will see no. 44, bigger numbers and all. 44 is there somewhere? No. 22 is there somewhere? No. 12 is there somewhere? Yes, 12 is there. Right. So that is the highest common factor. No problem. Check with some other number. Check with some other number. So what you will get at last, no? 12 will be the 12 will be why? Because 12 into 11, another number is prime number, right? 11 is a prime number for 132, and for 360 you will get it is 12 into 30. So that is what is maximum, right? 12 is the HCF of this. Why? Because that is the highest common factor what we have got here. 12 into 30. So 12 is the HCF of 360 and 132, right? Having seen the concept, let's come to the next question, which will talk about actual questions of LCM. You'll not be asked so easy question most of the time. Most of the times you'll be asked how to find the LCM of fractions. Till now, LCM you can find out, my dear friend. HCF you can find out, my dear friend. How to find the LCM of a fraction? What they are asking is find the LCM of 4 by 9, 6 by 21. So till now, what we were doing is find the LCM and tell me the answer. I'm giving 30 seconds of time to you to find the LCM of this number, and then we will come back to you. I'll tell you. Okay. Guys, I'm still waiting for your response on this. Give me the answer fast. What is the LCM of 4 by 9 and 6 by 21? So Manjunath has got the right answer. Very good, very good. So Manjunath, if I'm not wrong, what you would have done is probably if the people are trying for finding the LCM of the number, whenever it is given in fraction, what you do, you try to equate the you know denominator part, right? This is called numerator and this is called denominator, right? So what you do, because you have to make it equal, right? Denominator and so what do? You just try to make it as similar. You write it as this is going to be 29. Okay, so change this also base as 29. 9 threes are 29. So what do? This 4 threes are 12, and then you write 6. And what you do? Fatafat find the LCM of these two numbers. Correct? No, that is what you do, or ultimately that is how you try, and then you find all those. So what I am telling, instead of doing all those method, what you do? Instead of doing all those method, I'll give you the easier method. The easier method is whenever LCM of fraction has to be found, right? Any fraction is to be found. So what you do, fatafat, you remember this formula: 4 by 9, 6 by 21, right? Find the LCM of this, it is told. So you just find the LCM of 4 and 6, and find the HCF of 9 and 21, right? LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator, you find out, that will be your answer. So the LCM will be nothing but LCM will be 4 and 6. What is the LCM? I told we need not to find the LCM. What we have to do now, we have to be smart. 4, can it divide 6 completely? No. Then 6 into 2, 12. 4 3 are 12. Yes, the LCM of 4 and 6 is going to be 6. Okay. What is common in these two? 3 is common in these two. That's all. Why? Because 9 can be written as 9 into 1. 9 can be written as 9 into 1. Otherwise, 3 into 3. 9 times 21. Yes, 9 times 21 is possible. Possible, not possible? 9 by 21, no? Very much possible, right? Very much possible. So it is 12 by 21. 12 by 21. HCF of 9 and 21 is going to be 9. Sorry, 9, right? HCF is 9. So the LCM will be 12 by 9, which is going to be 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are. So 4 by 3 will be the right answer. 4 by 3 is going to be the right answer. Where did we go wrong while writing the question? Did we go wrong while writing the question? Where? So 4 by 3. What is your answer? What you are getting? The answer Is it right? Everybody got the same answer? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. See, the problem was when finding the HCF of 9 and 21. By mistake, what happened? I assumed this 21 as 27 and considering 9 3s are 27. That is what I told, right? But that is not the case. 9 is written as 3 into 3, and you can write this as 3 into 7. So common is only 3. So 3 will be the HCF, guys. So that is what is the problem. So this is 3. So 3 times 4 will be this. So 4 is the right answer. That is what probably here option was there, but other options were not there. And I could see for Manjunath had given the answer. Durga also had given the answer. Thank you so much, Abuzar. Abuzar, probably I miss out on your message. He has already told, sir, 9 do not divide 21. Yes, you are right. 9 do not divide 21. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Yes. So HCF of 9. Yeah. Thank you, Durga. So hope you understood. There was miss 9 3s are 21. I understood, and 21 it is 27. Right. 9 3s are 27. So you understood how to do this in the easiest method. I'll show you once again. 4 by 9 it is. 6 by 21 it is. Whenever somebody is asking you LCM, then find the LCM of denominator, and what you do, find the HCF of LCM of numerator, sorry, and HCF of denominator you find, it will give you the answer. तो इन दोनों का LCM क्या हो जाएगा, 4 and 6 का. Either you can write 4 6 ja 24, which is wrong. 2 is common, right? So 12 is the LCM of these two, divided by 3 is the LCF of this, and 4 will be your answer. You need not to waste your time. This is the shortcut method of finding, or the easiest method of finding the LCM of any fraction. Okay, let's see to find the LCM of, find now the LCM of 27 by 50, 9 by 20, 6 by 25. Find the LCM of these three. So to find the LCM, what we will do, we will find the LCM of 27, 9, and 6, and then we will find the HCF of 50, 20, and 25. How we will do? We would have written in the ascending order, but already we can see it is in descending order. So we will compare the biggest to highest two, and we will see 9 3 are, now it is 27. So 27 is the LCM of these two, isn't it? 27 is the LCM of these two. Can 6 divide 27 completely? No. So 27 into 2, you see what is there? 54. Can now, correct, 54, yes. Now 6 divide 54? You will say yes. 9 6s are 54. Correct. So the LCM of these three number is going to be 54. Without actually finding the factor of the number, we have found the LCM. And now how to find the HCF? What is common between these three? 5 is common. 5 5 is common. What else is common? Here 10 was common, but here not 10 was not common. It has got a factor of 5 into 5 only. So 5 is this. So 54 by 5 is the right answer. We did not take a minute. So parallelly, what will happen after doing some practice, guys, you will be able to do this sum in 30 to 40 seconds. Otherwise you would have taken a lot of time in giving this answer. Durga, kahin pe galti ho gayi mere dost. You have written 3 by 5, but probably the LCM of 27 by 50, 9 by 20 and 6 by 25, if you find, it will be 54 by 5. What has happened? You have taken the HCF of these three numbers. What I have told, when LCM of the fraction has to be found, numerator LCM you have to find out and denominator HCF you have to find out. What you have done? HCF of both the part you have found. Done? Considering this, you have understood. I want you people to find the LCM of this number, which is 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 5 by 6, 7 by 12. I want all of you to give the answer in the comment box, the way it is taught to you. So Padmavati has already given the answer as 140 by 3. Durga has given the answer as 143. Muhammad Azaz has given the answer as 143. Outstanding, guys. Outstanding. You guys have nailed it. Okay. Let's see how to find the LCM of the number. What I told, LCM of 2, 4, 5, 7, and then HCF of 3, 9, 6, and 12 will give you the answer. Now, HCF, though, it is very easy to find. Why? Because the least number is 3. So we will see whether 3 can divide all the numbers. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. So 3 is the HCF of the number 3, 9, 6, and 12. How to find the LCM of the number? Go to the highest two numbers, these two numbers, and both are prime number. The beauty of the prime number is LCM of prime numbers. Two prime number will be multiplication of those numbers. That is 7 into 5 is going to be 35, my dear friend. 35. Okay. Now, that is what it is, no? They have asked you 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So 35. And then now you check what is here. You will see 4. What is common? These two are prime numbers. So as it is multiplication of prime number, again the LCM of these two number will be multiplication of these two. That's all. So it is going to be 4 5 ja 20 and 140. Yes, 140 is the LCM of 4, 5, and 7. And if you check 2 times, yes, 2 is common already, which is the factor of 140. So nothing has to be done. 140 will be the LCM of 2, 4, 5, 7. I'm just repeating how did I find the LCM of this number without actually finding. Anyways, no factors for that. whenever it is a prime number, whenever there is a prime number, the LCM of those numbers will be the multiplication of the number. The multiplication of number is nothing but 5 into 7, which is going to be 35. And then which is one of the number was prime number, right? Whenever one number is prime number, it has to be multiplied. So again, if you see, these two were prime numbers, right? So it has to be multiplied by 4 as well, though it is not a prime number, but it is a multiple of prime number. So to find the LCM, it has to be multiplied by 4. So 435 times is nothing but 140. 140, if you see, 2 can divide 140 completely. Yes, 70 times. So 140 is the LCM of those four numbers. So the answer is 140 by 3, which is the right answer. And most of you have given the right answer. Right answer. Okay. So this is the way of solving. This is the way you can solve the question, right? But I'll give you another way. Everybody, hope everybody would have understood. Most of you have already given the answer as well. Yes, Raymond, that is 140 by 3. Now, look at the smartest way of answering. See, the question is like, find the LCM of 2, 4, 5, 7 and HCF of, we have to find 3, 9, 6, 12. Okay. We will not find the LCM, HCF and all. What we will do, we will go to the options. What are the options? Divided by 3 is already there, right? Divided by 3 is already common. Okay, so HCF has to be divided by 3, no problem. So all are okay. Now, let's find out what should be the LCM of these numbers. If we are finding the LCM of any number having 2, the LCM will be always even number. Did you get it? Yes or no? Yes or no? I'll tell you yes or no. Why? I'll tell you why yes or no. Okay. It has to be why, because if you find the LCM of 2 and 3, what it is going to be? It is going to be 6. Find the LCM of 2 and 5. It is going to be 10. Find the LCM of 2 and 6. It is going to be 6. Find the LCM of 2 and 7. It is going to be 14, right? So what will happen? All those numbers are even. Why? Because one of the number is even. It has to be even. The multiple will be always even, right? So the number options will be, out of the options which all have numerator, this has even divided by 3. Divided by 3 is common, even. So look out the options of this, and this is to be wrong. Why? Because the number is odd. I'm just trying to give you another glimpse. How can you reject the wrong answers and select the right answer? The option is between 140 and 144. Now, what you will do, again you will go, okay, even is over. Now what we will see, it has a factor 2, it also has a factor 5. So multiple of 2 and 5 is going to be 10. So the number, anything you multiply with 10, 1, 10 by 50, 10 by 99, the answer will always be ending with 0. 990, 0. Okay, 500 ending with 0. Answer will be 10 ending with 0. So the option has to end with 0 only. Whether this ends with 0, 144 by 3, no. So the answer has to be 140 by 3. I'll tell you once again what I did. I did not do anything. I just found the answer should be LCM of 2, 4, 5 and 7, and then HCF of 3, 9, 6 and 12. Instead of finding the actual answer, what I did not go to HCF part. Why? Because denominator all are same. I need not to worry. Why? Because it has to be one of those, has to be right. Finding the LCM, I saw 2, I saw 5. So I understood any number which is divided by 2 and 5 must end with any number which is, or any number which is the output of LCM of 2 and 5 has to end with 10. So any number which is ending with 0 as the numerator will be my option. Only B was by this condition satisfied. Remaining all did not satisfy. So I will directly tell 140 by 3 is the right answer. Did you understand? This is one of the mantra. Every time you need not to find the solution, right solution. You can avoid wrong solution. You will reach to the right solution. Okay. This is what is success. Let's see the Last question, and try to do if you want to. If you really want to try here also, we can do that. Otherwise, if you do not want to try, leave it. We can go to some other sum and check these all types. Okay. Next type of question is LCM and HCF, wherein HCF of fraction we have to find out. Very easy. What we have to do? We have to find the HCF. Please note it down. How to find the HCF of 4 by 9, 10 by 21, 20 by 63. Very easy. What we have done during LCM, we have found the LCM of numerator. Now, during HCF, what we will do? It will be HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. That's all so easy. Okay. How to find? Okay, let's find out. You saw here, you saw 63, 63, 63, 63 is common. Do not find the LCM at all. No need of finding. Find the HCF of the number. Find the HCF of the number. Can 2 divide 10? Yes. Can 2 divide 20? Yes. Can 4 divide 10? No. Can 4 divide 20? Yes. But it is not. So HCF is 2 divided by something x. Now our option is all are x only. All are same. So our answer is 2 by 63 is the right answer over. We did not waste our time in finding the LCM, wherein somebody will find the LCM of the number and they will waste another 20 seconds just finding the LCM of this number. We are not going to do that. Hope you understood. Hope you understood how to save your time. What we did, we eliminated the wrong answer, just selected the right answer. That's all. If you people have understood, just let me know yes or no in the chat box so that I can go to the next sum. Did you like this smart way? That you comment as well. You can comment how is the session going. Should I reduce my speed or this is fine? Are you enjoying the session or not? Otherwise, I will do some other activities. We can also plan for singing. We can try dancing if you guys are not enjoying. And this time I need probably uh, response of all the people who are here. Okay, probably Hemant has enjoyed, he's enjoying. How about others? Let me know so that we can proceed to the next question. Okay, Ajaz is enjoying. Wonderful, thank you so much. Less clarity in screen. Okay, Hemant is telling less clarity in screen. Okay, let me check. Screen clarity is less, is it? Probably at my end it is working well. So what I feel is probably it will be the uh, problem of your internet, might be. So yeah, sometimes it is because of internet. What is happening? I am getting at my end very nicely. If you look at this, probably I am getting full clarity because I can see the screen very properly. Probably yes. Okay, so that can be taken care of, and this videos will be available on YouTube on the same link. Probably yesterday's video or today's video. Again, you can go and check if you people need that. Okay, right? Getting? Chalo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me move to the next sum. LCM of decimal numbers. LCM of how to find the LCM of decimal number. Now, I want this to be answered by most of you and all of you. This you people can answer on your own because we have done the LCM. We know how to find the LCM. We know how to find the LCM of the fraction. I'm sure we can find out how to find the LCM of numbers which are in decimal, given in decimal. And these are the questions which were asked in these kind of examination, TCS, Infosys, banks, and all those. So, and it will take hardly some time to give the answer. Okay. Try finding the answer of this. I'll tell you how to find the LCM of the number 1.2, 1.5, 2, and 5. Chalo. 30. Durga has told the answer as 30. Wonderful. Nice. Superb, Durga. And anybody else who has got? If not, let's look at the screen. Okay. We want to find the LCM of 1.2, 1.5, 2, and 5, right? We want to find the LCM of 1.2, 1.5, 2, and 5. Suppose we have to find the LCM of these four numbers. So what we will do, first of all, it has to be changed to 12 by 10. We can write 12 by 10. Okay. Can we write this as 12 by 10? Yes, we can write. What we can write it as 2 by 1, and what we can write it as 5 by 1. Now, if you try to understand, it is another question which is on fraction, right? So find the LCM of 12, 15, 2, and 5. Find the HCF of 10, 10, 1, 1. Any number which is the smallest number, HCF is highest common factor, right? The factor of this is 1, so it is going to end with 1. So you will not get fraction at all as the answer. And find the LCM of these all. LCM of these all, that's all. So one way of finding, one way of finding I told was 2 into 5 is there. So 2 into 5 is 10. So pakka the LCM will end with 0, right? End with 0 apart from having anything. So find which all. Oh, this is also 20, this is also 50, this is also 30. 15 cannot be the answer for sure. Now in this case, you'll have to find the LCM. Why? Because they have not given non-zero answers, right? So now you can find out how to find the LCM of this number. If you want bigger two numbers, you see the highest two numbers, 15. Okay, no, 12 cannot divide 15 completely. So 15 into 2, 15 2 ja 30. Can we find 15 2 ja 30? What is the LCM? 15 2 ja 30. 1.5 by 10 only, no? Okay. After writing this, sorry. After writing this, what you have to do, probably you should also reduce this first fraction and then do this. This is not the proper. This is 12 by 10, no? So 12 by 10 has to be written as 12 by 10 has to be written as. Suppose it can be divided by 2, right? So 6 by 5. This can be written as 5 3 5 3 ja, right? 5 3 ja 5 2 ja. So this is 6 by 5, 3 by 2, 2 by 1, and 5 by 1. Why? Because lowest fraction we have to reduce and then we have to apply the formula. Now this is nothing but LCM of 6, 3, 2, and 5, right? And this is your HCF of again 5, 2, 1, and 1. Anyways, HCF is going to be 1. What is LCM? The highest two fact numbers you see, 5 into 6 are there. 5 6 ja 6 5 ja. Why? Because 1 is the prime number. This is prime number and this is prime number. So always multiplied. This is also prime number. So 6 5 ja 6 5 ja 6 and 5. I'm trying to find the LCM. 6 5 ja 30, and I'm checking whether 30 can divide 3 can divide 30. Yes, 2 can also divide 30. Yes, so 30 is going to be the LCM. So our LCM of this complete number is going to be 30, which is the right answer. Hope you understood. Hi, good evening, Vashant. Good evening. So this is what I'll explain once again. What has happened in this question? It nothing was there. It has to be converted into fraction, but 1.2. Okay, LCM of, we can write 1.2 as 12 by 10. We can write 1.5 as 15 by 10. 2 can be written as 2 by 1, and 5 can be written as 5 by 1. After that, we will have to reduce it to the lowest possible fraction. So 2 times, this is 2 times, this is 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja, and then it is done. So this is nothing but LCM of, we have to find out 6 by 5, 3 by 2, 2 by 1, 5 by 1. Okay, so that is going to be LCM of 6, 3, 2, and 5, and then HCF of, need not to write every time. You will not write. Why? Because you will have habituation of this. You will get habituated to find the answer. Which are the biggest two numbers out of the LCM? 6 and 5. So the LCM of 6 and 5 is going to be 30, and we will check whether 3 and 30, what is the LCM? So 32 and 30, what is LCM? 30. So our LCM is going to be 30. Why? Because HCF of 5 to 1 is going to be 1, and 30 is the right answer. Hope everybody would have understood. Got it, guys? Abhiram has joined just now. Hi, Abhiram. I'm sure you people would have got it now. So if you have understood, let's go to the next sum. Find the LCM of this number. LCM of we have to find 1.20, 0.24, and 6. What we will do? That is nothing but LCM of 1.2. Okay, 0 is given. So sorry, 120 we are writing, divided by 100 we are writing. Okay, comma. 24 divided by 100 we are writing. 6 divided by 1 we are writing. Okay. Now, how do we reduce? 1, though we can write 120 is there and 100 is there, right? So one thing we can do is 10, 10 get cancelled. Then we can tell ki chalo bhai 2 times 5, 2 times 6. Now what we can do is we can divide it by 4 times, 6 times 24, correct? Okay. So we will have to find the LCM of 6. That's all right. 6 and 6, we get 666. And HCF of 5, 25, and 1. HCF of this number is going to be 1. And as all the numbers are same, so 6 by 1, 6 is the right answer. You will get the answer as 6. That's all. Durga has got the right answer. Wonderful, Durga. Hope you people have got how to find the HCF of this number. Should I go to the next screen? Okay. Now, HCF, how to find the HCF of decimal number? I'm sure you people know how to find. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Same way. What we will do, first step, we will change these decimal numbers into fraction. That is 616 divided by 100, right? And then 13 will be there. And HCF is there. So numerator HCF, denominator LCM. That's all. And we will give the answer. So I'm sure you will be able to find the answer of this. This is for your own work. Okay. Next, go to the next question. HCF of 0.12 and 0.5. Write down this question also and do this sum on your own. We will go to the next sum because you have understood how to find the LCM of the fraction. Similarly, or the decimal number. Similarly, you can find the HCF of the decimal number. Now, next type of LCM HCF. Which kind of question will be asked? You will be asked this kind of question wherein properties of LCM HCF. How to, which all properties are there of LCM HCF? Let's see which can be asked. Okay, on the basis of the property of LCM HCF, this is the question which is asked to you in front of you. Try answering this. I will also give you the answer in an efficient manner, very efficient manner. Hope everybody is looking at the screen. Anybody doing last sum? I'll pause here for 30 seconds and then I will start the sum. And the sum is on your screen, my dear friend. We are going to do this sum after exactly 30 seconds from now, right? And here is the counter, guys. Wonderful. So welcome back, and we'll try to answer the sum. LCM and HCF of a number. What is given? LCM of a number is given as 1260. HCF of the same two numbers are given right? And they're telling LCM and HCF of two number. Only two numbers are there, right? Two numbers are there. Okay. Okay. And one of the number is also given. So N1, suppose number one is given as 315. They are telling N2 is equal to what? Correct? Okay. Now, property of LCM and HCF says LCM into HCF. When you multiply lowest common multiple to highest common factor, you get n1 into n2. The multiplication of two number will be equal to the multiplication of LCM and HCF of that number. What do you want to find out? N2. What will be N2? N2 will be nothing but LCM into HCF divided by N1. Let's find out what is the LCM of these two numbers. 1260. What is HCF? 63 divided by the one number which we know. And that will give us the answer. That's all. This goes five times, right? Five times, and this goes 5 2 jar 10, 5 5 jar 25, 2. So 525, 5, sorry, 252 is the right answer. 252 is the right. So what you get the answer as? Second number is nothing but 252, right? 252. I think again the screen was blur, is it? Looks like yes. So I'll just read it out if it is a blur. I do not know why it is coming blur. LCM and HCF of two numbers are 1260 and 63 respectively. If one of the number is 315, find the other number. So what did we do in this case? We just tried finding out the answer as LCM into HCF is equal to N1 into N2, and we got the answer. Okay. Let me try disconnecting and connecting again so that I'll just check if network issue can be. Now, let me know, guys, if I'm visible properly to all of you without any blur or still blur is there. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next question is type 8, finding smallest number. How to find the smallest number using LCM and HCF. Okay, the question will be sometimes like this: find the least number which, when divided by 4, 9, and 12, leaves a remainder as 3 in each case. Yeah. So guys, once again, question is the same. Find the least number which when divided by 4, 9 and 12 leaves a remainder as 3 in each case, right? This is the question. So what we will have to do using LCM, how to give the answer in the easiest method, right? I'll tell you how to give the answer in the easiest method wherein you do not lose out a lot of time. So what we will have to do, what is given, just try to understand least number. They are asking least number which when divided by 4, 9 and 12. That means suppose x is the number, x has to be divided by 4, x has to be divided by 9, x has to be divided by 12. So what is this number? You try to understand what is this number. This is the least number they have told, right? So least common multiple they are telling. So common multiple, why? Because this x has to be the multiple of 4, 9 and 12, right? So the answer is nothing but they are trying to tell you find the LCM of these three number. First find the LCM of these three number, then we will see what is the LCM of these number. So what I told, the LCM of these three number is going to be what? Find the LCM and tell me what is the LCM. These two number we will see. 12, it cannot be divided. So 12 into 2, 24. Can 9 divide 24 completely? No. So 12 3 ja 36. 36. Whether 9 can divide 36? Yes, 4 times. And 4 can divide 36? Yes. How many times? 9 times. So 36 is going to be the LCM of 36 is going to be the LCM of 4, 9, 16, 19. Now, whether 39 is 36 is the answer. No, 36 is not the answer. What you have got is when divided by 4, 9 and 12, 36 will give what remainder? 0 as remainder, right? What they are asking in the question, leaves a remainder as 3. So to have a remainder as 3, you just add 3 plus to this one, no? And 39 will be the answer. 39 will be the answer. Now, how to understand this? Now, one more thing is, if you people do not understand what is remainder, what is quotient and all, just for your understanding, when you want to divide, suppose you want to divide 46 divided by 5 is what, right? 46 by 5 is what? So what you write? You write it as 5, 46. This is how you write, right? Or sorry, 46 here. So what you do? 9 5 ja. You write 9 5 ja. You write here as 9. 9 5 ja 45, right? And you write here as 0 1, right? So this part is called as remainder. Okay, this part is called, this part is called, and this part is called, what is that? One is dividend, one is divisor. This is called divisor, this is called dividend, and this is called quotient, right? Quotient. So you just remember these all. If you have forgotten, just remind yourself and just remember all those. What they are asking is 36 is the number which is LCM of 4, 9 and 12. But what has to be found? We have to find the number which gives 3 is 3 as 3 as what? A remainder in each case. So that is going to be 39. You will just add. Okay. So this kind of question, find the LCM of this LCM and add 3, answer will be that. Then 3 is the remainder in all the cases. Okay. Hope you people have understood. 936 people have 30 39 Bima has told. Oh, Bima has come just now. I was looking forward to these participants. Wonderful. So you people have understood. Thank you so much, Rajesh sir. Thank you for letting us know. Yes, thank you so much. Things are going good. Okay, let's do this sum. The question is, this sum answer you should give, and in a fast track method you should give this answer within 30 seconds, my dear friend. That all. 30 seconds you should get you the answer. I'll read out the question. The question is, find the least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8, 12, and 16 will leave 2 as remainder in each case. Wonderful, guys. You guys are awesome, doing fantastic job. People are answering in few seconds. I'm really happy. Okay, let me give the answer of this if you people want to know. What was the question? The question is similar to that. LCM of these four numbers, five numbers, whichever number is there. So what we will do, 12 and 16, we will try to find the LCM. 16, see, 12 and 16, what is the LCM? So one way is anyways, I told 16 into 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 48, right? So 16 cannot, or 12 cannot divide 16, 12 cannot divide 32, 12 can divide 48. Yes, so 48 is the LCM, 48 is the LCM. And now check with this. So 8, yes, sir. 6 ja, 6, 8 ja, 4, 12 ja. So 48 is going to be the LCM. 48 is going to be the LCM, yes. But 2 has to come as the remainder. So add 2 to that, and 50 is our answer. How many seconds will it take? Hardly 10 seconds, 12 seconds. That's all. Wonderful. Good to see people are answering. So looks like it is the coolest way, easiest way of answering these sums. Don't you feel so? If you feel so, just let me know. Do you know any easier method than this to find this? I want to learn. Otherwise, have you learned something which is unique, which is great, which is going to be a time saver for all of you guys? Right? Parallelly, let's see the next sum. Okay, this sum, try answering this sum, my dear friends. The question is, find the least number which, when divided by 10, 9, 8, leaves a remainder 9, 8, and 7. Okay, let's find. Let's see. I could get one answer as 359, which is from Prasad. Wonderful. Good to see a response. Great, guys. Okay, so there is a question which is asked. I hope you guys are enjoying. Hope you are enjoying the session. Do comment and let us know about your journey of learning with QuantGuru. So your responses are awaited for that. Parallelly, let me answer the sum. The beauty of this question is if you see 10, 9, and 8, we'll have to, the number has to be divided by 10, 9, and 8. And what is the remainder? Remainder, if you see, it is 9, 8, and 7. 9, 8, and 7. So if you see what is common in this, if you subtract these two numbers, you will always feel one is the remainder, which is common, right? 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1. So on all three cases, you will see the remainder is going to be the same. If that is the case, then how you have to find out? Find the LCM of the three numbers with which the number has to be divided. That is 10, 9, and 8. The LCM of this can be found as 10 and 9. You'll find the LCM as one of the number. Okay, this 9 and 10, if you see, this is 3 into 3 and this is 2 into 5, so nothing is common, right? So it is going to be multiple of these two numbers, which is going to be, LCM is going to be 90. And if you see 8, so 8 cannot divide completely 90, so we will have to go to the next number. Into 2 is 180, which again does not look like 8 can divide. So go for third number, which is 3 times 270. Again 270 cannot be divided, 8 cannot divide. So what will be the number? Fourth number, 9 4 ja 36, 360. 8 can divide now 360. If you see, 8 can divide 360. Yes, 8 4 ja 32 and 40, 8 5 ja, so 45 times it is divisible. So what we got is 360 is the LCM of 10, 9, and 8. In some of the cases, you will find it is difficult, sir, to multiply and find. No problem. In those cases, what you should do? You should just write 2 into 5 here, 3 into 3 here, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 here, right? And just find the number which is common in all those. That's all. It is very simple. 4 into 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 5s are 20, right? So this you got as 20, 20 into 9 you do, and you will get sometimes this one, how to find the LCM of the number, right? So 360, in this case you found the answer of LCM of 10, 9, and 8. How to find? The difference is 1, so minus 1 from that, so that will be the answer. 359 will be the answer. Just to summarize once again, in case, because all the questions will be asked this way, all the questions will be asked a similar way, wherein the remainder, if they will ask another question as when divided, find the least number which when divided by, suppose 14, 17, and 63 leaves a remainder as, suppose they are telling leaves a remainder as 12, 15, and 61. 12, 15, and 61. So what you will get, again, if you see in the question, no, the difference between all those three numbers is going to be 2. So find the LCM of 14, 17, 63, and minus 2 from that. That is what is the answer, right? Hope you understood. Let's see the next question. Find the least 4-digit number which is divisible by 4, 6, 8, and 10. 4, 6, 8, and 10. So it has to be four digit number which is least. The crux is how to find the answer of this. The crux is how to find the least four digit number. What is the least four digit number? It is 1000, right? 1000 is the smallest four digit number, wherein 9999 is the highest four digit number, right? Okay. Now we have to find the least four digit number, so it has to be either 1000 or more than 1000, which can be divided by 4, 6, 8, and 10. 4, 6, 8, and 10. How to find? Now you find out which should be the least number, which is of 4 digit. Done. Another 30 seconds of time in front of you guys to give the answer of this question. Okay, so I got the answer from Bima, which is 1080, from Manjunath, which is 1060. Hemant has given 1060 as answer. Wonderful. Durga has given 1080 as answer. Hemant has given 1250 as answer. I'm happy to see so many responses and everybody is right. Everybody is right. Why? Because of the right attitude. When your attitude is right, yeah, what can stop you guys? Nothing. Right? Let's see how to find the answer. Okay, what has to be found? Find the list number of four digit, right? List number of four digit which will divided by 4, 6, 8, and 10. So anyways, it has to be, what has to be divided? 4, 6, 8, 10 is dividing the number. So find the LCM of this first number. No problem. First find the LCM of this number. 4, 6, 8, and 10. How to find the LCM of the number? Very simple. One way is, this is going to be 8 and 10, right? So okay, 80 will be the LCM. Why? Because what else can be there? Mm, mm, mm. 40 can be there, right? 40 can be the LCM. Why? Because 10 into 20, 20 also cannot be there. 30, 40, 48 fives are right. Okay, now 6, can it divide? No, it cannot. 6 6 are 36. Now something is left out. Let's go for 80. 680 also it cannot divide. Let's go for 120. Yes, 120 can be the LCM of this and this as well. So 120 is going to be the LCM of. This is what it is, no? 120 only you will get, no? 120 is what you are going to get, the LCM. Yes or no? Everybody got 120 as answer? Right? Okay. Now next step would be, we have to what, find the number which can divide all those LCM, which should be least 3-digit number. So what we'll have to do, 120 is the LCM now. It has to be, the number has to be the multiple of 120. 120 into 1 is 120. 120 into 2 is 240. Similarly, if you see, 120 into 10 will be, or we will do 1200, right? 1200. So 1200 definitely is a 4-digit number. These all are not. So we will try from there. Okay, but it is not the least number. So 9 times, what it comes, if you do 9 times, 182. Okay, so 180 into 120 into 8 you do. Why? Because what we need, these all are 3-digit number, right? I need 4-digit number. So what I have understood, 120 into 10 if I do, I get the number which is 4-digit, but the question is least 4-digit, right? Lowest 4-digit number. So I'm just seeing what happens if 120 is multiplied by 9. You get 1080, right? Try once again. 120 into 8, if you do, what do you get? 120 bar 960 you get, which is 3-digit number, right? So only these two are 4-digit number, and the least number is 1080. So 1080 will be the answer, right? 1080 will be the right answer, not anything else. 120, somebody has got 1200. This is right answer. 1200 can divide 4, 6, 8 and 10 all can divide 1200, definitely yes, but it is not the least number. There is 1080, which is 4-digit least number, which can be divided by 4, 6, 8 and 10, all those 4 numbers. For your understanding, I am repeating once again. What we will do, 4, 6, 8 and 10, find the LCM of those numbers. The LCM of all those numbers can be found in different ways. One of the way I have shown, which is 120, which has come. Other ways, you write 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 4 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the last one is 2 into 5. Now 2 is common, so leave this 2. Remaining all has to be multiplied, no other go, right? So okay, 2 into 2 is 4, you write 4. Then in these all 2 you leave. Why? Because once 2 is written, right? So 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 is going to be the answer, right? LCM. So this is 10, this is 12. uh, one minute. 4, yes, 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, 16, 4 तिया 12, 4 तिया 12 और 10, yes, 120 is the LCM, right? So anyways, that time also we found LCM as 120. So 120 is the LCM. Now, as these all LCM of these all numbers are 120, so that means the number which is there when this these all number will divide that number, that means the number has to be the factor of 120. So 120 into 1 and 120 into 10. 120 into 10 was 1200. That we understood, four digit number. So we will do reverse engineering. 120 into 9 I am writing. What do I get? So I get 1080. 120 into 8 if I do, I get 960. Right. So this is three digit number. So if we go this side, it is going to be three digit number only. All those will be three digit number. So the least four digit number is 1080, which is 120 into 9 times. That is what is the answer. Hope you have understood. Yes. Karthik is telling something. If you can tell me, Karthik, yes, what you are telling, I will just answer to that. Yeah. And most of you have got the right answer as 1080. Let's see one more question to understand this question in brief, if it is there. Okay. So that was the last part of this kind of question related to number series. Okay, LCM, HCF, right? So the next topic which we are going to do today is sums on ages, which has got a very good weightage. Normally, three questions are asked out of this. 3 mark question will be asked out of this topic in TCS and most of the examination. And we will be doing within 15 minutes all those sums in a very easy method. Last 15 minutes of this session is going to start with this as this. Okay. The first question is the present age. I'm going to give you the crux how to find the answer of this within few seconds. How to do? The present age of father is 5 times the age of son. The present age of father. So what do you do whenever this kind of question is asked? Father and son, right? Who is smaller? Obviously, son has to be smaller. To write son as first, then you write father, okay, and then make a table wherein you write present age, okay, and then past age or future age we will write. Okay, make this table. This will help you a lot. Let's see how do I do. Okay, let me write it very properly. I am making a table where I am going to write, okay, okay, where I am going to write this is son and this is father. Here I am going to write the age. Okay, now see how to write. What is given? The present age of father is 5 times the age of son. Suppose son's age is x years, right? Here I am writing age which is in present, right? So what will be the father's age? Obviously 5x, right? 5x, 5 times. Okay. Now 5 years ago. Ago means what? Whenever it is ago, go, or before, or back, 5 years back, all those are talking about past. When we have later, hence, after, these all means we are talking about future. Consider this, just remember this. Ago, before, and back is talking about the past. Later, hence, and after is going to talk about the future. Now, in this question, 5 years ago. Ago means ago is nothing but past, means past. Now you are 10 years old. 5 years back, what was your age? Obviously, minus 5 we have to do, and we will tell 5 years old, right? So, what I will do here, I will write minus 5 years. So, minus 5 years. So, 5 years ago, what was the age of the son? X minus 5. What was the age of the father? 5x minus 5. Any problem till here? Any problem till here, my dear friends? Yes or no? I'm sure no. Thank you so much for that. Now, after writing this table, then we will read out the question from this part again. What we have to read out? 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what they are telling, 5 years ago, the age of father was, was means 5 years ago, this is the age. What is the age of father? This is what. So they are telling 5x minus 5. This is what is 5 years ago, the age of father. Okay, was 10 times, was 10 times. 10 times in the sense, if this quantity is 10 times, that means to equate, we have to multiply 10 times on the other side, 10 times the age of sun. Age of sun was x minus 5. This is what is the equation, and you will find the answer. That's all. Nothing has to be done apart from this. Age problem is so simple. You'll have to just read out the question properly and you will get the answer. Step 1, read out the question properly. Step 2, write down the table format, in the table format all the data which is given. Step number 3, try to make an equation by starting reading the question after full stop, that is 5 years ago, 5 year hence, all those, and write the equation. That's all over. Now it is one variable equation, right? So 5x minus 5 is equal to 10x minus 50. So x one side, so 5x I'm taking this side, that means 10x, this is 10x, and this 5x minus comes, so 5x is equal to, 5x is equal to minus 5, this 50 goes that side, so becomes plus 50, so that is nothing but 45. So 5x is equal to 45. Now what you will do, you people will immediately write x is equal to 45 by 9, right? 45 by 5, which is equal to 9. I am telling no, read out the question properly. What they are asking, what we have to find out, write down here only. What we have to find out, father's present age. What is the present age of father? Father's present age is nothing but, what is the father's present age? Just see, father's present age is 5x, right? 5x is going to be the father's present age. So we have to find out this value only. If you would have found x value as 9, then again you would have written 5x is equal to 9 into 5, which is 45. So once you are dividing, another time you are multiplying, right? So the father's present age is 5x, which is nothing but 45. 45 years is the right answer. Hope you have understood how to find the answer in the efficient manner. This is very much required. Why? Because you do a lot of calculation and you waste 3 to 10 seconds of time just to divide and multiply. So you are going to save that 10 second of time or 5 second of time which you would have wasted in dividing and multiplying just by reading the concept properly. If you have understood the sum, then let's go to the next second sum and try doing that on your own. The question is, Meeta is 4 years older than Sunita. After 8 years, the sum of their ages will be 3 times that of their present age. What is the age of Meeta? Try to, step number 1, read out question on your own once again. Step number 2, you will try finding, you are trying to make the table which I told, considering the smallest person or the person who is younger at first, and then later you should write who is elder. Step number 3, read out the question after full stop just to make the equation. Equate it, you will get an equation of one variable, right? Find the value of that, and before that just find out what we have to find out, right? Write down what you have to find out and give the answer. Let me do the sum. Look at the screen. If you have understood the sum, look at the screen. What is given? Meeta is 4 year older. Who is older? Meeta is older. So whose name we will write first? Sunita's name. Sunita, Meeta. Okay. What I told? We will write present age, and then we will write one more age which is after 8 years. After 8 years means plus 8 years, right? Your age will increase after the present age, no problem. Sunita, suppose Sunita I am writing x, then what will be Meeta? Mita is 4 years older. Older means she's bigger, right? Older. So x plus 4. If I am 10 years old and somebody is 4 year younger, older than me, so he has to be or she has to be x plus 10 plus 4 years, right? 14 years. So that is what x plus 4. Now, 4 years, 8 years later, what will happen? This Sunita will become x plus 8 years and Mita will become x plus 4 plus 8 years, isn't it? That is x plus 12 years. Got it? So this is what is the table is ready. Now what we have to find out, write down what is age of Mita. Mita's age we have to find out, which is age of Mita, that means present age we have to find out. So we have to find out this value. Okay, now try to write the equation 8 years later. Read out the equation after 8 years from here. After 8 years, the sum of their ages will be means they are talking about future, right? They are talking about future, my dear friends. Sum of their ages will be 3 times. Okay, sum of their ages will be after 8 years. So after 8 years, what is the age of Sunita? X plus 4. What is the age of Mita? X plus 12. So sum of their ages will be x plus, this is age of Sunita after 8 years, and age of Mita after 8 years, it is going to be this. No problem. Okay, so the sum of their ages will be 3 times that of their present age, will be equal to 3 times of the sum of their, that of in the sense there it was sum of, so here also sum of, that means present age sum. Like what is Sunita's age? X. And what is Mita's age? Presently this. So this will be equal to 3 times of this sum, right? So that is what is the equation. X plus x is 2x. 8 plus 12 is going to be 20, is going to be 3 into x plus x is 2x plus 4. That means 2x plus 20 is equal to 6x plus 12. That means this goes this side and this goes this side. That means 4x is going to be equal to 8. 4x is going to be equal to 8. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What is the value of x? You got as 2. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out x plus 4. So Mita's age will be equal to, Mita is equal to x plus 4, which is going to be 2 plus 4 is going to be 6 years old. Hope you understood. 6 years old. Option 3 is the right option. Right? Option 3 is the right answer. Got it? Most of you have nailed it. You have got the right answer. Wonderful. Awesome, guys. If you have understood this, let's go to the next sum. And these are the questions which were asked in the question paper. If you're doing this on your own, you guys are fantastic. Okay. Now, question number 3. Product of the ages of A and B is 1050 and the sum is 65. What is the difference in their ages? Right? What is the difference in their ages? And the options are 120, 210, 35, 4, none of these. How to do this question? Look at the screen. What is there? Product of the age of A and B. What is given? A into B is given as 1050, right? And their sum in the sense A plus B is given. The sum of these two are 65. What is asking? What is the difference? A minus B is equal to what? Try finding out. Try finding out. Okay. Let's look at the equation which we have learned. What did we learn? A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square, right? Okay. That's what we know. Now try finding out what if we subtract these two. That means a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is going to be what? It is going to be, this becomes minus. Why? Because positive, and this negative becomes positive, this positive becomes negative. So a square minus a square gets cancelled, b square minus b square get cancelled, 2ab plus 2ab becomes 4ab. That is what you have learned, right, in your school from 8th standard to 6 to 8th standard. This is what we have learned, right? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is going to be equal to 4ab. Let's put the value of all those from this. A plus b whole square, can we write 1050 whole square minus a minus b whole square, we do not know, is equal to 4 times, what is ab, sorry, this a plus b was 65 square. A plus b was 65 square, a minus b we do not know, and 4, a into b is 1050. Here it is given 1, a into b is 1050. That means this is 65 square, and or okay, we want to find only this part. So let's take 65 square minus this is coming that side, 4 times 1050 is going to be, this goes on the right hand side, a minus b whole square. Why? Because it is negative, it becomes positive. How to find a minus b whole square? Okay, let's find what is the value. Square of a number which is ending with 5, my dear friend, do not multiply this. 65 square, 6 into 7 is going to be 4225. You remember, number ends with 25, and 65 is going to be 6 into, next number is 7, this, and this is nothing but 1050 into 4. So it is going to be 200, 5 4 ja 200, and 4, okay, is going to be equal to a minus b whole square. That means a minus b whole square is going to be equal to nothing but 25. If we know a minus b whole square is going to be equal to 25, what does a minus b mean? That is under root of 25, which is going to be 5. That is what we have to find out, my dear friend. The question was, what is the value of a minus b? So a minus b is going to be 5. It will not take this much of time if you already remember this formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is going to be 4ab. Put the value, get the answer. The answer is 5. And this question was asked in 6 different question papers, my dear friend. 6 different question paper in the same year. So that is the beauty of this question. Okay, so sometimes it looks very difficult, and the and you know the report says 72% of the people had given the right answer, taken more than 3 minutes of time to solve this. Why? Because they were all thinking, okay, there will be a way to find directly, let's put this way, that way, and all those, they've wasted. So these kind of questions are time wasters. It is advisable to know the tricks to find the answer. Otherwise, leave the question and do the other sum. Why? Because in the question paper, minimum 3 to 5 questions will be there, which are kept given only to waste your time. Either you should know the trick, otherwise it is going to be a time waster to you. Okay. Now let's see the last question, and this is going to be the last question of today's session. Question number 4, again on age. Father's age is 25 years more than the son's age. I'm giving a full stop here and writing as son and father. Son's age is going to be lesser, so that is why son's age. Father's age is 25 years more, so son's age is x, father will be x plus 25. This is present age, my dear friend, right? Okay, more than sons. Now, 4 year hence. Hence means what? If you remember, hence was later, right? It is talking about future. So, plus 4 years, my dear friends. Plus 4 years. So, after 4 years, this will become x plus 4, and this is going to be x plus 29. I'm writing directly, considering 24 plus 4, sorry, 25 plus 4 is going to be 29. All my friends know, right? Considering that I have written. Okay. Now, what I will do, I'll go back and again I will write 4 years later. Okay. And the equation 4 years later or hence, father's age will become. So, father's age I am writing, okay, will become, how much we'll see, will become 1 year less. It will become 1 year less. That means it is going to be 1 year less. Suppose somebody is telling, I am going to be, or my age is 30, my age is 30, and my brother is 1 year less. Then what will you do? If my age is 30, to equate that, your brother's age also has to be added by 1. So what I will do to equate, I will add 1 to this. And we will tell, then it will be equal to the statement. Okay, become 1 year less than how much? Three times, thrice of what? Son's age. What is the son's age? X plus 4. It is going to be x plus 4, right? So you understood what they are trying to say. They are trying to say, after 4 years, what will happen? The father's age will be 1 year lesser than that of son's age. To equate that, we have added this side 1. Otherwise, to equate, we can also do minus 1 this side. Whatever way you do, it is going to be the same. So I have just written plus 1 and then I have proceeded. Okay, just look at that. So it becomes x plus 30, right, is equal to 3x plus 12, and we get 2x is equal to 30 minus 12, right? 30 goes this side, 12 goes this side, x comes this side. So 2x, and this minus this is going to be 18. That means x is going to be 9. X is going to be 9. Hope I'm right. Yes. What they're asking, what is father's present age? What is father's present age? Father's present age is x plus 25, right? So father's present age is going to be equal to x plus 25, which is nothing but 9 plus 25, which is nothing but 34 years. Father is 34 years old, and the option 3, which is 34 years, is the right option. Guys, that's all for today. Hope you people have understood how to find or do the sums on LCM HCF. I do not guarantee after doing this training or practicing, you will be able to get 100 out of 100 or 100 percentage or percentile in all the tests. But I'm sure this would have given you a lot of motivation, courage to yourself, feeling that yes, I have understood something, and after practicing I'll be able to do better in all those examination, and you'll be confident enough to excel in all those tests. Nothing is going to be difficult, everything is going to be very simple, my dear friends. Just stay tuned to us for few more days and just learn the trick of aptitude from your own Quant Guru. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself. Have a great day ahead.